Hey everyone, welcome back. I came to Walmart to finish my Ibotta Feast Mode bonus. I completed 20 of the 30 offers I needed to get a $10 bonus. So these items are going to get me to complete. I'm going to take it to the store, show you what coupons I use. We'll go over the final numbers whenever I get home. I'm going to pick up one of these Alka-Seltzer cold and cough gels at $4.98. I'm going to use this $2 off, making me pay $2.98. Ibotta's going to give me back $2.50, making the final cost 48 cents. There was an offer on swag bucks that I was going to do. I was going to pick up two and it would have been a moneymaker, but the offer is gone. But 48 cents for one of these is still a good deal, so I'm going to grab one of these. These Listerine Ready tabs are priced at $2.97. I'm going to grab one, use this $1 off of one. I'll pay $1.97, but this is attaching to 2 rebates. Hopefully it'll give me back the $2, making it completely free. And then I'm going to grab one of these Cool Mint, the packs. They're priced at $3.86. I don't have a coupon for that, but that one is also attaching to 2 rebates, so I'll get $2 back, making it $1.86. Plus a 50-cent bonus for buying one of each, making the final cost for both $1.33. I'm going to pick up one of these Nivea lotions priced at $5.48. I'm going to use this $1 off of one. There are $2 off of one on coupons.com, but I used mine already. I'll be left to pay $4.48. Ibotta will give me back $2, making the final cost $2.48. This is priced at $5.97. I'm going to use this $1.50 off of one that I printed from coupons.com. I'll pay $4.47. Ibotta's going to give me back $2, bringing me down to $2.47. And then Shopkick is going to give me 25 kicks for scanning it in the store, $400 for buying it, for a total of $1.70, making the final cost only 77 cents for one. The Hallmark rebate did reset for me. When I buy 2 Christmas cards, I'll get a $3 rebate. These 2 47-cent cards are attaching, so I'm going to pick up 2 for 94 cents. I'll get back $3, making it a $2.06 money maker. So we still have this deal on Ibotta. I'm going to pick up 4 of the Mealtime Harvest Bowls for $1.94. That's going to bring me to $7.76. I'm going to use this $1.50 off of 4 that I printed from coupons.com. That'll bring me to $6.26. Then Ibotta's going to give me $1 back for each one, making the final cost $2.26, or about $1.06 each. No coupons for these, but I'm going to pick up one of these Gerber Puffs at $1.96. Ibotta's going to give me back 50 cents, making the final cost $1.46. I'm going to pick up 2 of these Airwick double refills priced at $4.88. 2 of them is going to cost me $9.76. I'm going to use 2 of these $2.50 off of one. That's going to leave me to pay $4.76. Ibotta's going to give me back $1 for each one, making the final cost $1.76 for both, or just 88 cents each, which is not a bad deal. I'm going to pick up one of these Downy Defty Damage Beads priced at $9.94. I'm going to use this $3 off of one. That's going to leave me to pay $6.94. Ibotta's going to give me back $2, making the final cost only $4.94. It's not the best deal, but I'm really trying to complete my bonus today to get that $10. So I'm going to grab one of these. So here's the receipt for everything I picked up at Walmart. They're the Gerber baby foods, 4 of them at $1.94. This, recently my coupons that I print from coupons.com don't go through by themselves when I do at the self-checkout. I have to wait for a cashier to come help me, and then they have to manually put it in. That's been happening for quite some time now. So this $1.50 was for the Gerber. The Nivea lotion was $5.48 with the $1 coupon. The Gerber baby snacks, which were the puffs, were $1.96. The Dove deodorant was $5.97, and that is what that $1.50 is up there. The Downy, $9.94 with the $3 coupon. The plugins were $4.88 with $2.50 off. The Listerine, $3.86. Listerine Ready tabs, $2.97 with the $1 off. And this is, what is this? What did I pay $4.98 for? I don't know. Here are the 2 Christmas cards, 47 cents each. This is the Alka-Seltzer for $4.98 with the $2 off. So I looked on the Swag Bucks app when I was in the store, and I didn't see the 1,000 points back when you buy 2. I even clicked on Walmart. I even clicked on the redeem, and then I clicked Walmart to see if the offer would pop up, and it wasn't there. And then I got home and it was there. So if I would have picked it up, it would have been like a $7 moneymaker, but it wasn't there in the store, so I didn't risk it and spend more out of pocket than I should have. My subtotal was $38.62, with tax was $42.32. I got back $33.50 on Ibotta, $23.50 for the regular offers, and the $10 bonus. And then the Shopkick, I got back $400 or $1.60, and then I scanned my receipt to fetch, and I got back 233 points or 23 cents. So $35.33 in rebates. That brings me to a $3.29 total for all 15 items, or 21 cents each. That does bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.